Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I know it has been like a hot minute since I have done a StitchFix unboxing. So I've had mine for like a week or so I have to get it back. So I thought I would unbox it for you guys. I didn't put down what I wanted, so they just sent me whatever, and they did a pretty good job. There's a couple things in the box that I don't think I've ever received from them before. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like it. If you're not subscribed to me, please do hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Hit the, tap the bell button so that you'll get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're returning, as always, I appreciate your loyalty. So let's see what's in this box. The first thing is a blue jean jacket, and I might have gotten or received one or two of these, but I don't think I own any. Now this is a large and I'm not sure it's gonna fit, so I will try it on because there's a couple pieces in here that it will go with. So I'm hoping it does fit with these pieces because it will be nice. I know spring is coming up and it is getting hot, so I probably won't wear it here in Arizona, but I'll probably wear it more in Washington and when we start to vacation. But it does have quite a few buttons, so it is a cute jacket. And the next piece, it's got a really pretty pattern on it, is by Market and Spruce in a large, and it's the Ava Ruffle Tie Neck top. I do have a lot of this style, not so much this particular one, but I have what do you call them, cardigans that I can wear over this. And again, I can wear that the jacket with this as well, with a pair of shorts. So I thought this was pretty cute too. And here's the piece that I have never received before. They sent me a dress, and I've never asked for a dress. I think I put down no dresses. I don't work. I have really nowhere to wear it. It's a medium Kaylee dress. I don't know what the material is. But I think, you know, I'm the one that's gonna get stuck in it. But it's cute. It's got a cute floral print, and I actually bought a pair of booties. They have like a flea market here, and you can buy new and used items up there, and I bought a pair of black booties. So I was thinking of trying it on with the black booties. And we'll see how it goes, and I could wear it with the blue jean jacket. And then they're like the same old shirt. I must have 100 of these. This is again by Kaylee, and it is the Marian tie front knit tank top in a large. And I get a lot of these because they're so comfortable, and I can wear them with shorts or jeans. And the last one, I'm just not sure. This is by Clover, and it is the Madeline roll tab knit top in Cognac. And it's kind of cute because it's got the different colors. The only thing is the sleeves here. And when I try it on, you'll see it's like I have football arms up here. So it gets really tight, you know, when I put it up here. So I'm not too sure how that's gonna look. So I didn't get any pants, I didn't get any shoes, I didn't get any purses, but it is a nice selection of clothes. I have my return, and then I have my note. See who my stylist is. Susie. I don't think I've had a Susie for a while. Hey Robyn, happy Fix 75. Thank you for letting me know not to send any more jeans for a while. I did put that on a note because I was just getting inundated with jeans. I focused this fix on great tops for you to try. I also included a navy dress from Kaylee. This dress is machine washable and really comfortable. Pair with the denim jacket from Pistola, the fantastic quality and longevity that you will get from the timeless classic jacket makes it well worth the splurge. So, yeah, because there was a couple fixes that I really didn't like. So let me go do the try-on and I'll be right back. Okay, the first thing I have on is the Ava Ruffle Tie Neck top by Market and Spruce. It is a large, and see if I could. It's comfortable. You can tie it. I didn't tie it. And it's got some buttons here. I'm filming outside, so it might be a little glary. You can wear it with shorts, a skirt, or pants. Kind of gauzy. So I do kind of like it. I'm not sure if you have to wear like a tank underneath it, but I really kind of like this top. So I will be right back with the next top. Okay, the second top that I have on is the Kaylee Merriam tie front knit tank in navy. And this is the large, and these are my favorite tops because you just throw them on. Again, it's a large. Make sure I don't trip. It's got the tie front here. It's big enough, you can wear it with pants. You can throw it on over a skirt. They're just simple wash and wear. And I know I have it in like green, and this is blue. Depending on the price, we'll go over at recap. So I'll be right back. Okay, this is the last top, and it is the Clover Madeline roll tank knit top in Cognac in a size large. Excuse me. And I paired it with the Pistola Chrissy denim jacket in blue in a large. So here's, I'll lower you a little bit. So this would be for like the cooler I probably wouldn't be wearing it with shorts, but I just wanted to give you a feel wearing it with a t-shirt. And this is what happens. It's got the thing, but the arms makes me have like these football arms. It's not too tight, but when I wash it, you know, it hangs. I can wear it with jeans. I normally don't tuck my tops into my jeans because I have that big old belly, but I do like the stripes, and I like the difference with the Cognac and the pocket. So let me know what you think, and I'm going to be right back with the dress. Okay, I'm back with the last outfit. I put the Pistola denim jacket on with the Kaylee and the knit dress, and it's such a cute pair. But I don't know if I need to size up on the dress because it is a medium, and normally I would need a large. So you're gonna have to let me know what you think. So let me put this down. So I will bring you down. Here's the jacket and the dress, and I think it looks cute together, very flowy. I hope it's not too short. But when I take the jacket off, the ladies seem a little tight in there. And it looks tight in the back, and then, you know, that tummy area. And then my skinny legs. So let me know, this is a medium. So let me know if you think I need a large in this. I really like it. It was easy to get on and off. I didn't think it would be, but it was. And I really like it with the jacket, and it says I don't really have a lot of jackets. So let's do the recap. I'll be right back. So I received 5 items. They came to $662. If I bought all 5, that would be a 25% discount, and that would bring it down to $196.50, which really isn't bad with the jean jacket and the dress. So I have some thinking to do there. The pink Clover shirt, the two-tone, that was $44. The tie neck top, the white one, was $44. The knit tank in the navy was $36. The dress that I'm wearing was $50, which isn't bad for a dress. And the denim jacket was $88. So what'd you think? Did you think it was a good fix for me? Did you think the prices were good? You always have to add taxes whenever you get this. So, I don't know. I'll wait for your feedback. I enjoyed this fix. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.